All right, so I just received the X20, which is a drone, I do believe. Check it out. There it is. It's got some warnings. So let's go ahead and unpack this bad boy and see what's inside here. Here we go. Ta-da! All right. This is it right here. This looks like the control, I do believe. Pop it out. It's got a bunch of parts. And I think this is the drone itself here. Wow, it's small. Look at it. Very tiny. Alright, so let's see that. That's the controller and the drone. It's all in one piece. And I think these are the whatchamacallits that you control it with. And it looks like we've got some parts here. We're just going to have to read the directions because I have no idea what these are. Alright, put this over here. So this is some type of a clip that you, I don't know, we'll have to figure it out. It like clips on something. Maybe the drone takes off from this, I guess. I don't know. It also comes with some batteries, extra It's got a special tools in here, and the user's manual. So we're definitely going to have to read up on this before we use it. But that's what's in the box for the X20. And it's suitable for 14 years old and above. I don't know how they make that determination. If you guys want to, you can scan this and we'll give you an idea of, let me pull it out of here so you guys can see that. Let's go ahead and just get this stuff out. We'll see what we get. All right, so anyway, here's this. You can scan that to get more info on it. And it does come with a little Phillips head screwdriver. As I said, it's got a bunch of these things. I think these protect the props or the rotors. There's 4 of them, so there's 4 rotors. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. You've got some extra blades here. It comes with, looks like 3 extra blades. It comes with this charging device, the batteries, and this tool. So we've got a couple tools. And I don't know, you would think they would have gave me 4 of these, but apparently I just got 3. Unless one slipped underneath there. Oh yeah, there it is. There's the other one. So we got those. I'm not sure what these are here. We'll have to figure this out. All right, it's going to take a little bit of time. We're going to have to read the manual. And then we'll try it out and see what we think of it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this.